So, you know, hopefully you all got a lot out of today. My hope was that not only did you learn new things, but that we're going to start new conversations based upon some of the new ideas that you learned. You know, technology improvements are happening so rapidly across all the different sectors, and to deliver high quality patient care, it really can be difficult to take advantage of the latest tech advances while at the same time ensuring that new medical devices and applications are secure. And of course, this can result in significant vulnerabilities in the medical devices themselves, and then subsequently inadequately secured networks and components that increase the cybersecurity risk. So unlike our prior medical device, and even machine to machine,
Rebecca, your audio seems to have been cutting out.
I sent her a note, John.
so I'm sorry, did I just get told that, or can anyone hear me still talking?
Yes.
I can hear you, Rebecca.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I had somebody in my ear, so sorry about that. But basically, my point is that, you know, we need to start thinking not only of what we have today, but in the future. And I'm sure most of you have heard about the Wisconsin company that's offering microchip implants for employees so that they can store data on that implant that's the size of a grain of rice. And not only can you store data on it, but you can also have that data accessible by near-range types of devices. And while that is not considered to be, you know, a medical device as you would think of under HIPAA, they do talk about how they did get that device approved through the FDA, and how long will it be before we get to that point. Like Katina mentioned, we have the type of medical devices that you can actually swallow and dissolve and that give out all sorts of data. So on the next slide, what I wanted to provide to you now that we've given you a lot of food for thought during the last 2.5 hours, here's some takeaways to keep those thoughts continuing. And this has a list of some of the great resources from the FDA and from NIST on medical device security and privacy. And I've put in there some of the resources that I've provided over recent years. And there's more in the medical device security and privacy checklist that I'm also providing to you. So on the next slide, just here's my contact information, and also just a few of my 19 books that Tom mentioned earlier that I've published. And definitely I welcome your feedback. And I know the other speakers that provided you with their contact information also welcome your feedback. And I hope you learned as much from our event today as I did. So I want to thank very much each and every one of our speakers. You are all fabulous, and I learned a lot from each and every one of you. And I look forward to watching the event back again so I can capture the things that I know I probably missed while I was taking mental notes. And I want to thank everyone else who attended today. Now I'm going to turn it over to Tom Baer. So Tom, if you have the final word of the day that you want to give to everyone.
Yes, thank you. And thank you, Rebecca, for hosting the event today, and to the panelists and speakers. It was an excellent webinar. I thoroughly enjoyed it and learned a lot myself. And we will be posting the recording later. And I'll let John follow up with that as needed. Just a quick reminder about some events we have coming up. These are in person for those interested. Companion Diagnostics in December. I mentioned the new event at the beginning on protecting data from black hats for a cross-industry event. We'll have a discussion in March of next year in Research Triangle Park on gene editing for biopharma and ag bio, and a bioprocessing festival in Q2 2 of 2018 at the New Jersey Convention Center. So the next slide. Where do we go from here? If you want to reach any of today's speakers or would like more information about participating, certainly feel free to reach out to Rebecca or to Ronnie Schreiber. She is the president and CEO of the company, Ronnie at biopharmaresearch.org, or you can contact me if you have any questions, tfair@planetconnect.com. Thank you to all the attendees as well for sticking with us throughout, and I hope you can join us again soon.
And Tom, just really quick, where will the participants be able to get all of the additional materials and the copies of the slides?
John, can you handle that, please?
The BRC website for more information.
Okay, so they'll be posted on the BRC.
Should be available within the next couple of days.
There you go.
Great.
Good
Thank
question.
you very much.
Okay, then. Take care. Good afternoon and good evening, everybody, or good morning, wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye now.